Hi children, how are you all? A very good morning. Welcome back to the math class. I am Srinija, your math teacher from Shine India School. Today we will start the new block, that is the volume 2 book only. Okay, block number 9. Now the block is solid shapes. Okay, already before we discussed the which shapes: square, rectangle, circle, triangle. These shapes already we discussed. In this block we have to discuss the solid shapes. Okay, in the flat shapes we have to discuss before. In this block we will discuss the solid shapes. Okay, that is the block 9 volume 2 book only. Once you open the book and see the pictures naming the solid shapes. Now this is the sphere. Number of faces are there, smiley faces. In this sphere, one curved face is there. If the examples are marbles, marbles are the examples of sphere. And the next one is cube. Already you know the all square shapes. Number of faces, 6 faces are there. In the next class I will explain that faces and vertices also. Number of vertices are 8. And the example is a dice. Already you have to play in that. Dice is using the dice is a cube shaped. Now the next one is the cuboid. Cuboid shape. Number of faces in this cuboid also 6 flat faces are there. It is look like a rectangle faces, Nana. Number of edges, 12 edges are there. And vertices also 8. Now the example is cereal box or brick also. ఓకే నా కోన్ అనగానే మనకి ఐస్ క్రీమ్ కోనే గుర్తొస్తుంది. ఓకే, వన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ పిక్చర్ ఇన్ దిస్ కోన్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫేసెస్ ఆర్ దేర్, 1 flat face and 1 curved down. Once you observe, 1 curved face is there and the up 1 flat. Number of edges, 1 curved edge. Now the example is ice cream cone. Ice cream cone. Now the next picture is the cylinder picture. Cylinder picture. In this cylinder also number of faces, 2 flat faces are there. 1 curved face is there. Number of edges is 2 curved edges. Now the example is canned tin. Now the example is Coke tin also. Now square based pyramid. Square based pyramid. Now in the square based pyramid also 5 flat faces are there. Now number of edges is 8 flat. Now number of vertices are 5. In the next classes, in each picture we will count the shapes, faces also. Now these are the pyramids are the examples. Now tetrahedron. Number of faces, 4 flat faces are there. Tetrahedron shape is like this only. Okay, in this tetrahedron also 6 flat edges are there. Now number of vertices are 4 vertices are there. Now the example is triangular dice. ట్రయాంగిల్ షేప్లో ఉండే డైస్ని మనం టెట్రాహెడన్గా యూజ్ చేస్తాము, ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా తీసుకుంటాం. నౌ ద ట్రయాంగులర్ ప్రిజమ్. ట్రయాంగిల్ షేప్లో ఉండే ప్రిజమ్ నాన్న, ఇట్స్ లుక్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. నౌ ఇన్ దిస్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫేసెస్ ఆల్సో 5 flat faces. Number of edges is equals to 9. And the number of vertices is equals to 6. It is a tent is the example of triangular shape. Once you observe this picture, Nana, what shape is it? What? It is a pentagonal pyramid. What shape is it? It is a pentagonal pyramid. It is a square pyramid. What shape is it? It is a tetrahedron. Is it, Nana? It is a cube shape. It is a cube shape. And the next one is, once you observe this, what shape is it? It is a octahedron. ఈ ఆక్టాహెడ్రన్ ఇవి నీకు అప్పుడు అవసరం లేదు నాన్న, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాసెస్లో కావాలి. Now here dice, ice cube and sugar cubes and chalk boxes and the gift box. Solid shapes have 3 measurements: length, breadth and height. So a solid shape is also known as a 3D shape, 3-dimensional shape. సాలిడ్ షేప్కి వచ్చేసి 3 మెజర్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి, లెంగ్త్, బ్రెడ్త్ అండ్ హైట్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఏ సాలిడ్ షేప్ యాజ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద క్యూబాయిడ్ and the cube, cylinder, sphere and cone, matchbox, book and the brick and almirah and the suitcase and the tea bag. These are the solid shapes only. Now you have to observe the cuboid shape. You have to observe the cuboid shape. Now edges is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, faces. Observe the faces, Nana. 6 faces are there. And the next cuboid shape is book. Our book is in the cuboid shape. Back face, side face, front face, and the bottom face and side face and the top face. These all sides are there. 6 faces are there in this book once you observe it. Now the die and ice cube and sugar cubes and the chalk box and the gift box, these all are the examples of the cube shape. This also cube shape. In this cube shape, how many faces are there? Once you observe it, these all the faces and the edges already shown. A chalk and the glass and the candle and the tube light and the log of wood. These all are, which shapes are there? Cylinder shapes. Cylinder shapes. These all shapes are looks like a cylinder. And the curved edges are there, 2 sides, and the curved face is there, and 2 flat faces also point out here once you observe that. Now here the football and the globe, orange and the cricket ball. Once you observe these things, football, globe, orange and the cricket ball. And the sphere is a curved shape. Sphere is a curved shape. Now top, joker's cap, sharpened pencil and the funnel. These are the cone shapes. top and the joker's cap, these are the cone, and the vertex is up and the curved edge is down. Once you observe it, and the curved face is there, and the flat face is also the down. This is look like a cone, and the three-dimensional or 3D shape. This is the cuboid shape. Faces are, once you observe this Nana picture, there are flat shapes and solid shapes. A square, rectangle, triangle, and the circle are the flat shapes. Solid shapes are thick and can be held. ఇంకొక మెజర్మెంట్ అనేది యాడ్ అవుతుంది సాలిడ్ షేప్కి వచ్చేసి. ఏ సాలిడ్ షేప్ కెన్ బి క్యూబ్, క్యూబాయిడ్, కోన్, cylinder, sphere and pyramid are all solid shapes. ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? క్యూబ్, క్యూబాయిడ్, కోన్, cylinder, sphere and pyramid. These are all solid shapes, and the solid shape can look like the flat shapes. Now the flat shapes are square, rectangle, circle and the triangle. Already in the before blocks we learn square shape, okay, rectangle, circle, triangle, these shapes we learn. In these solid shapes are, this shape is cube shape, dice, cuboid, brick, and the cone, ice cream cone or birthday hat, and the cylinder, okay, sphere, and the next one is the pyramid. These all are the solid shapes. Solid shapes ఏమేమి నానా? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere and pyramid. These all are the solid shapes. And the next one, once you observe it nana, which flat shapes do you see in this object? This is the object. In this object, which flat shape? మనకి చూడండి నాన్న, అదే ఫ్లాట్ షేప్ లో కనిపిస్తుంది మనకి. ఇట్స్ లుక్ లైక్ ఏ రెక్టాంగిల్. ఓకే, పైన చూడండి టాప్ లో rectangle face కనిపిస్తుంది, and this side also rectangle. Once you observe this is the rectangle shape only. We see the rectangles in this cuboid. This is looks like a cuboid. Square shapes ఉంటేనేమో దాన్ని మనం క్యూబ్ షేప్ లో క్యూబ్ అంటాము. ఇక్కడ మనకి రెక్టాంగిల్ ఫేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి it is called. Naming the solid shapes, name the following solid shapes. First one is the, which shape is it? Cone. And the next one is the sphere. And the next one is, third one is the cylinder shape. This one is the D1 cube. And EBT is cuboid. That names once you observe it. Cone, sphere, C1 is the cylinder and D1 is the cube and E1 is the cuboid. Now label the face, edge and corner of the cube. ఇందులో మనకి ఫేస్, ఎడ్జ్, కార్నర్ అనేవి మనం క్యూబ్లో చూద్దాము, క్యూబ్ షేప్లో. ఒకసారి చూడండి నాన్న. up top one is the face and the side faces also there. Okay, now the keywords are cube, C-U-B-E, cube, and next one is the cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Cone, C-O-N-E, cone. And the next one is cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. And the next one is the pyramid, P-Y-R-A-M-I-D, pyramid. Cube. Okay, once again you have to repeat with me these spellings, keywords. These are the keywords. Cube, C-U-B-E, cube. And the next one is cuboid. Cuboid, cuboid. And the next one is the cone. Cone, cone. And the next one is the cylinder. 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 And the next one is the sphere. 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 And the next one is the pyramid. 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 These are the keywords. First one, name the following solid shapes. Name the following solid shapes. And the first one is the, which shape is that? Cylinder. Cylinder. It is cylinder. And the next one is, bit, cube. 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 And the third one is cuboid. 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 First one is the cylinder, cube, cuboid. Okay, these three pictures you have to write in your book, Nana, in the content book. Okay, first picture name and the second picture name and the third picture name also. Your worksheet. Today's worksheet is naming solid shapes. Write the name of each shape. Also match each solid shape with the flat shapes. The looks like it. First one is the square shape లో ఉండేది ఏమని చెప్పాను? క్యూబ్. క్యూబ్ కి మ్యాచ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నా ఈ ఫేసెస్ ని బట్టి మనం మ్యాచ్ చేయాలి. సర్కిల్ షేప్ లో ఉండేది D1 అండ్ ద కోన్ షేప్ లో ట్రయాంగులర్ ఫేస్. అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ద క్యూబాయిడ్. క్యూబాయిడ్ అనేది రెక్టాంగులర్ ఫేస్. ఓకే, ఇవి మనం మ్యాచ్ చేయాలి వీటన్నిటికీ కూడా. వాట్ ఫ్లాట్ షేప్స్ డూ యూ సీ ఇన్ ది సాలిడ్ షేప్స్? ఇందులో ఏం ఫేసెస్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి? ట్రయాంగులర్ ఫేసెస్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి మనకి, ఇంకా స్క్వేర్ ఫేస్ కూడా కనిపిస్తుంది. డౌన్ మనకు ఒక ఫేస్ కనిపిస్తుంది చూసారా? దట్ ఈస్ ద స్క్వేర్ ఫేస్. అండ్ ద రిమైనింగ్ అప్ సైడ్ ఆల్ ఫేసెస్ ఆర్ triangular faces are there. Okay, this is the today's worksheet, Nana. You have to complete the given worksheet also. Okay children, I will send the worksheet. You have to complete the given worksheet. Okay, if you have any doubts, in the next class we will discuss again. Okay then, bye.